Prepositions in review. Prepositions are words that link nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence, usually showing relationships of place, time, direction, cause, manner, or possession. Think of them as the little bridge words that explain where, when, or how something happens. Common types of prepositions. Prepositions of place or position. They show where something is. Examples: in, on, at, under, over, between, next to, inside, outside. Example sentence: the keys are on the table. Prepositions of place or position. Choose the correct answer in each question. 1. The cat is hiding the sofa. A. In. B. Under. C. At. D. For. 2. We met our friends the park entrance. A. At. B. Over. C. Between. D. For. 3. The painting hangs the fireplace. A. Inside. B. On. C. Over. D. Between. 4. Which sentence uses the preposition of place correctly? A. The dog ran in the table. B. The vase is on the shelf. C. She sat at the bed. D. The shoes are between the door. 5. Fill in the blank. The books are kept 2 large cupboards. A. Under. B. Between. C. At. D. Next to. 6. Choose the sentence where the preposition of place is incorrect. A. My bag is inside the locker. B. We waited at the bus stop. C. The birds flew next to the sky. D. The lamp is over the desk. 7. The restaurant is the corner of King Street and Queen Avenue. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. Between. 8. Which preposition best fits? The museum is the left side of the library. A. Next to. B. Between. C. At. D. Inside. 9. The children are playing the playground. A. On. B. Over. C. In. D. At. 10. Fill in the blank. The keys are hanging the hook by the door. A. Over. B. On. C. At. D. In. Prepositions of time. Show when something happens. Examples: at, on, in, during, since, for, by, until. Example sentence: we met in July. Prepositions of time. Choose the correct answer in each question. 1. The meeting will start 9 a.m. sharp. A. In. B. At. C. On. D. During. 2. I haven't seen her last summer. A. For. B. Since. C. During. D. By. 3. We stayed at the resort 3 weeks. A. For. B. In. C on, D at. 4. The store closes midnight. A at, B on, C by, D in. 5. Which sentence uses the preposition of time correctly? A. We will meet in Monday morning. B. The package will arrive by Friday. C. He has been here since 2 hours. D. The movie starts during 7 p.m. 6. My birthday is May 15th. A in, B at, C on, D by. 7. The players warmed up the match. A for, B until, C during, D since. 8. The report must be submitted tomorrow afternoon. A by, B since, C during, D in. 9. She studied hard the final exam week. A in, B during, C since, D until. 10. I usually go jogging the morning. A at, B on, C in, D by. Prepositions of direction or movement. Show movement toward something. Examples: to, onto, toward, through, across, along. Example sentence in A. She walked into the room. Prepositions of direction or movement. Choose the correct answer for each question. 1. The cat jumped the table to reach the food. A onto, B into, C toward, D along. 2. We drove the tunnel during the storm. A onto, B into, C through, D across. 3. The hikers walked the river to get to the other side. A across, B toward, C along, D into. 4. Which sentence uses the preposition of direction correctly? A. She ran onto the stairs to greet him. B. He swam across the lake in record time. C. We walked into the park bench. D. The children moved along the playground slide. 5. The bird flew the branches of the tree. A. Through, B. Onto, C. Into, D. Across. 6. Fill in the blank. We're heading the mountains for our weekend trip. A. Toward, B. Across, C. Into, D. Along. 7. The cyclist rode the coastal road for miles. A. Toward, B. Along, C. Onto, D. Into. 8. The ball rolled the street and stopped near the curb. A. Into, B. Onto, C. Across, D. Toward. 9. He climbed the ladder to fix the roof. A. Onto, B. Across, C. Through, D. Along. 10. The parade moved slowly the main street. A. Into, B. Onto, C. Along, D. Toward. Hey, if you're finding this lesson on prepositions valuable or helpful, smash that like button. Share it with your classmates and friends. Let's level up together. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic content like this. There's plenty more coming your way, so check out the channel and stay tuned. Let's go and check our work. I know you did a fantastic job. Prepositions of cause, reason, purpose. Examples: because of, due to, owing to. For. Example in a sentence: the match was cancelled because of the rain. Prepositions of cause, reason and purpose, including because of, due to, owing to, and for. Choose the correct preposition. 1. The game was cancelled the heavy rain. A. Because of. B. For. C. To. 2. Fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. The flight was delayed, technical problems. 3. Which sentence uses owing to correctly? A. Owing to the traffic, I arrived late. B. Owing to I was tired, I went to bed early. C. Owing to he is sick, he didn't come to school. 4. Complete the sentence. The concert was successful, the support of the fans. 5. Choose the best option. The road was closed, an accident on the highway. A. Because of. B. For. C. Due to. 6. Fill in the blank. She couldn't attend the meeting, her illness. 7. Which of the following sentences shows the purpose? A. I studied hard to pass the exam. B. The house was built because of the flood. C. They stayed indoors due to the storm. 8. Complete the sentence. The factory shut down, pollution concerns. 9. Choose the correct preposition. He was late, the traffic jam. A. Because of. B. For. C. Owing to. 10. Write a sentence using for to show purpose. Prepositions of manner, instrument, or agent. They show how something happens or who does it. Examples: by, with, about, as, like. Example in a sentence: the book was written by a famous author. Multiple choice questions on prepositions of manner, instrument, or agent. 1. She spoke, a native speaker. A. Of. B. With. C. By. D. As. 2. The cake was cut, a sharp knife. A. With. B. By. C. Of. D. In. 3. The book was written, a famous author. A. By. B. With. C. Of. D. In. 4. He solved the problem, great patience. A. With. B. By. C. In. D. Of. 5. The painting was created, an artist from Italy. A. With. B. By. C. In. D. Of. 6. The letter was delivered, the postman. A. With. B. By. C. In. D. Of. 7. She managed to open the jar, a pair of tongs. A. With. B. By. C. In. D. Of. 8. the story was told a storyteller. A with the, by. C in. D of. 9. The house was built skilled workers. A with the, by. C in. D of. 10. The child was scolded his teacher. A with the, by. C in. D of. Note that a preposition is always followed by a noun or pronoun, called the object of the preposition. She sat on the chair. She sat on.